May 7th, 2023, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle observed driving erratically, disregarding stop signs.
Well, head over there.
Hey, ma'am. What is your actual name?
What?
Your actual name.
What did you say?
What's your actual name?
I just told you it's Kyrie. What do you mean?
Okay.
Really don't have a picture on my phone. I know I don't have a picture, but you can Google like Kyrie.
Okay.
K-Y-R-E.
Okay.
I mean,
Let me just make sure I got it all right, okay?
Can you please? It's not that.
Okay. Is this...
Not yet.
The bathroom? Oh, okay. No
Not yet. Just a little bit of cooperation is all I ask, because you already gave one fake name. What's your name, ma'am?
Huh?
What's your name?
Kyrie.
So we've arrested Kyra. We have her picture. We're looking at her picture.
Okay.
On her name. So right now you could be in handcuffs. I'm trying to give you the benefit of the doubt. We try to avoid this. Do you want to give us your correct name?
I mean, I'm not even.
There's no record?
I'm just here with my kids. Like, I'm trying to get to the crib.
Apparently this is father.
Come on, man.
What is her name?
Huh?
What is her name?
That's Kai. Kai, what's going on? Where you guys stop the stop sign?
Is that Kyrie?
Yes.
That's Kyrie.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that?
That's Kyrie. Okay, just the photo.
Here, she ran a stop sign?
Yeah.
It's only like, that's like a traffic,
That is correct.
What's your granddaddy?
so it's like a citation or something?
Yes, but if we are getting false names, that's fair.
Come on, Mama. Come on, man.
So she gave you the same name, just different date of birth.
Yep, first time
So
was
they're
2002.
so they're sisters with the same name.
Possibly.
Interesting.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
What was that problem?
So when he came back to verify your name and date of birth, you gave him the same name, just a different date of birth. Is that accurate?
Huh?
Traffic.
What are you talking about? Dad, can you not be weird though?
No,
like,
I'm not being weird.
you're being weird,
You're
honestly.
going to get in more trouble.
You're being weird. Can you not? Don't be weird. Like, honestly. At least wait till my mom is here. Don't be weird. That's so weird of you. Like, please.
Huh?
That's my name.
This is your dad's purse? Your dad carries a purse?
I mean, it's not nothing weird.
Can I see the purse real quick? Is that fine? Oh, got an ID here. Let's see who it is. I got a name to give you.
Everything I love, I will leave this car right here. This is not even my car. I don't even drive. Like, please.
Okay.
Like, literally.
Yep, just walk around the sidewalk.
Where did my dad go?
He went back over there. Can you walk over the sidewalk, please? Thank you. Okay. Kiara, come over here. You stand right here for me. Okay.
Yeah.
How are we doing? You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm really embarrassed. I don't know.
What's up?
I said I'm embarrassed.
You're embarrassed? Okay.
Yeah.
Why are you embarrassed?
I don't know. I feel like people looking at me.
Okay. Well, no one's really looking around, so it's just us over here. Alright. Next test we're going to do is the walk and turn in, okay? Do you understand the instructions?
Yeah.
Go ahead and begin.
2001, 2004. I did break my hip in August. Literally. 2005.
Keep going.
6.
Okay, go ahead. Put your hands behind your back for me.
What am I under arrest for driving under the influence?
Hold on, Jordan.
You're
Hold on.
driving under the influence, okay?
Be cool, Karen. Sir.
Yeah, we know. We're cool. We're being cool.
I'm just, baby.
Baby, guys. Can I talk to her? You can talk to her. Just back up, okay?
Okay,
All right,
okay.
just back up.
Baby, we're coming to get you.
I'm not saying that's what's going on. If she wants you to have the hat,
I'm okay.
Can you let me go, bro?
Don't pull away. Do not pull away from me.
Let me go, bro.
You're not gonna pull away from me.
Back it up.
He put his knee to her neck. He put his knee to her neck.
Get back. You want to get straight. Back it up.
He put his knee to her neck.
Go. Get back.
You crazy? You put her.
Oh my God. Obstructing. Obstructing a peace officer.
I'm not doing. I was just.
Stop. Stop right now.
I promise. I'm not doing.
Stop resisting.
I'm not.
Stop, Kiara.
What?
Kiara, stop.
This is what's bringing it up. Help him. Okay, but stop. Get her up and get her up. You interfered with the arrest. Get in there. Get in there right now.
Bro, that's my sister. I was asking her questions.
Sit down. Get in there. No, you were not.
Kyra,
Get in there.
Bro, like, like, bro, come on, bro. I ain't even been aggressive with you. Wait, baby.
I asked him a question. That was it.
All right. All right.
Alright, can you like help me up?
All right.
What the f? Can you take me out of these handcuffs?
We're
Like,
not taking you out of handcuffs. Here, pull her legs up. We're gonna pull you.
no, I cannot.
You have to stand up. You have to stand up.
I
Lean your feet up.
cannot get down.
Lean your feet up. Or we're just gonna lean you in here. We're gonna lay you in here, and you're gonna.
Yeah, this car's getting towed. I haven't inventoried it, but it's getting towed. DUI. DUI. Can't put it through transport.
All three women were charged with obstruction and resisting arrest.